Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make Lahori lamb chops using our Lahori marinade spice blend. Now a lot of people have asked the question about how do you actually use these products, how do you use the spice blends. You can use them as a rub, but I'm going to use them as a marinade today. Very simply, just going to follow the ingredients off the back of pack and show you how easy it is to make. You're going to need about 100 grams of chopped tomatoes. I've just got chopped tin tomatoes, so I'm going to add that into the bowl. I like it quite spicy, so I'm going to add a nice heaped teaspoon of the spice blend. About 4 or 5 tablespoons of vinegar, and that's me measuring it out accurately, so you don't need to be absolutely exact. Drizzle of olive oil in there as well, not too much. And that, I'm going to give that a good whisk. If that's too thick, just add a little bit more vinegar. But otherwise, that is good as our marinade. I've got 8 lamb chops here. Just give them a good mix around. Make sure that they're all well coated. So they're well coated. I'm going to pop them in the fridge now, and ideally you want to leave them to marinate overnight. The longer you let them marinate for, the better the flavour is going to be. Okay. We're going to look to pop these on the grill for about 2 minutes on each side, not too long. Cook them medium. You want to keep turning them quite regularly to make sure that they're cooked quite evenly on both sides. They have had about 2 minutes on each side and they're probably done. Now it's time for me to try one. I'm going to try this one. That is awesome. It really is. Oh wow, I'm so happy with that.